Whistle sound disrupts as quick clips of electrifying draft moments flash on screen. Get ready, birds. We're diving into the juicy rumors around a potential blockbuster trade that could reshape our draft strategy. Early talks suggest a focus on a big-name player that could change everything this offseason. Stay tuned for all the details. With the 2026 NFL Draft now in the rearview mirror, don't expect teams to sit back and take a breather. The heavy lifting might be done, but the action is far from over. Veteran moves are definitely on the horizon as rosters tighten and teams evaluate what they still need heading into OTAs. It's a pivotal time, and many organizations are facing glaring roster gaps that require immediate attention. Let's consider the rumors swirling around A.J. Brown. Reports have surfaced from Adam Schefter suggesting that after June 1st, the Patriots could be eyeing a deal that makes him an option elsewhere. The truth is, this could shake the league up, especially for the Birds if they position themselves strategically. Losing depth hurts more than people think, especially in December. So, as we look ahead, these upcoming transactions could critically redefine team dynamics heading into the regular season. The scrutiny intensifies as the Birds gear up for more offseason moves. This isn't just about the draft picks, it's about the strategic positioning that could redefine our roster. Signing key veterans has already brought some much-needed depth, especially in defense and at wideout, but there's still more to do. The pressure's on to lock in talent that complements our core players. It's crucial. Remember how depth played a role in our previous season's hurdles? The clock is ticking, and the Philadelphia Eagles have to make their mark before the season kicks off. Honestly, this is the type of update that tells us more than the headline itself. This offseason isn't shaping up like the usual routine for the Eagles, and it's clear there's still plenty of work on the horizon. After a whirlwind of activity, the Birds have been more aggressive in free agency this time around, bringing in some pivotal players to bolster both the defense and the wide receiver core. This focus on signing key free agents reflects a calculated effort to address existing weaknesses and to prepare for any potential changes on the roster. A significant part of that preparation revolves around the looming uncertainty of A.J. Brown's future. The Eagles are actively reshaping their lineup in anticipation of what might happen if he's no longer in the picture. His presence has been crucial, so the idea of navigating a roster without him is a serious concern. Let's be real, the strategy this offseason points towards trying to ensure the team isn't left scrambling if the worst-case scenario unfolds. This isn't just about a few trades or signings here and there. It's a significant overhaul to ensure the Birds maintain competitive strength. As the free agency period continues, it'll be vital for Philadelphia to lock in the right assets, especially if they plan to pursue a blockbuster trade involving their top draft pick. The stakes are high, and the pressure's on to not only improve but to dominate the upcoming season. As we look deeper into the offseason guide, it's crucial for fans to keep an eye on how everything unfolds. Securing solid depth is just as vital as bringing in new talent. Every decision counts. As these trade rumors heat up, the Eagles' front office is under the microscope. Fans are buzzing, voicing strong opinions about the potential for change and the impact on the franchise's direction. The perception of management takes a hit if they miss on this chance to secure a game-changing player. Inside the locker room, the competition for positions intensifies. Will players adapt to new roles, or will this shake their confidence? The strategy unfolding here is crucial. The Birds need a solid plan to navigate this situation, and the pressure is mounting as they try to keep the team chemistry intact while also upgrading their roster. The excitement isn't just in the trades, it's palpable in the fan base too. Everyone's got opinions, and they're not holding back. If the front office stumbles here, the backlash will be intense. Inside the locker room, though, the stakes are equally high. Will players rise to the challenge of new roles or feel the pressure weighing on their confidence? The front office must navigate these dynamics carefully. A strategic approach is crucial as they consider how each move could impact team chemistry amidst a competitive atmosphere. This isn't just about stacking talent, it's about building unity for the long haul. As they prepare for what's next, each decision is critical for defining the future of the franchise. As the trade rumors swirl, the reaction from the fan base is electric, with opinions flying in every direction. You can feel the tension as the Eagles' front office navigates this delicate balance. Fans expect decisive moves, especially with the potential implications on the franchise, and any misstep here could leave a sour taste that lingers through the season. Inside the locker room, the atmosphere is thick with anticipation. Competition for positions will undoubtedly heat up if major transactions go through. Players are eyeing their roles closely. How will they adapt if new faces join the roster? Confidence can sway easily in situations like these. While there's a rush to bring in new talent, the need for cohesion is just as critical. Also, the strategy that emerges from the front office reflects a keen awareness of what's at stake. They're not just reacting to bandwagon opinions, they've got to think several moves ahead. The impact of these decisions will trickle down, shaping both the depth chart and the team culture as they work toward the upcoming season. Each choice made in this high-stakes environment defines not just the present, but also the Eagles' path toward reclaiming dominance. As we keep our eyes peeled for updates, we know that every move could alter the course of the franchise's future. It's about building a team that can compete at the highest levels while maintaining that fierce spirit we all love. Let's keep the energy up, and next, we'll dig deeper into how these dynamics set the stage for the next chapter.